Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Do this now. It says, draw a free body diagram of a 68 kilogram person floating in one spot, so they're not moving, in the I-Fly wind tunnel. What is their weight? What is the force of the air? Do it while I do it.
Remember, a free body diagram starts with a dot.
Let me make this colors. Sorry. We always like to use colors. Green. Okay, so the force of gravity, that's the same thing as my weight, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what was my mass up there for 68 kilograms? Times, what was the acceleration due to gravity? 9.80 meters per second squared. Okay, so I get 68 times, that's a decimal, negative 9.8, and I get negative 6.4. Okay. Scary.
6.64 what?
Oh, Newtons, sorry.
Newtons.
Don't be like Miss Moore, don't leave your number naked. Okay, and then, well, if we're in one spot, we're not falling, we're not flying up, that means that the top part, this force up, must be the same thing then, yes?
Yep.
So it's going to be a positive 666.4, gosh, 6.4.
What's the net force? What's the acceleration?
Well, is it moving? Well, let me restate that question. The person is floating in one spot. Are they speeding up?
Nope.
They're not speeding up, so my acceleration is going to be
0.
0, which means my net force is 0. These are going to cancel out, right? They're
Yep.
not moving up, they're not moving down, they're not going forward, they're not going backward.
Yep.
They're just staying there.
Right.
Okay, so we've drawn our free body diagram. What was their weight? That was this. The weight is the force of gravity. What is the force of the air?
Boom,
The
boom,
force
boom.
of the air is the force up.
That's
Okay?
because the net force is 0, because the acceleration is 0. They cancel each other out. You just floating there.
It's a beautiful thing. Okay, the acceleration due to gravity is gravity, G, is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. We just use that, right? In the absence of air resistance.
That's very important.
Let me say that again. The acceleration due to gravity, G, is negative 9.8 meters per second squared in the absence of air resistance. So this number
Yep.
is only true in the absence of air resistance.
Yep. And we got a little video that we're going to ask you to watch right now.
We're not going to
That's
show
gonna
it.
make sense out of that, right?
So pause the video and go to the next video down below and watch that thing.